Welcome to Magic English for you.
Your best option.
Present perfect. With, yet. It is used in negative and interrogative sentences. Negative sentences. I haven't, yet. Yet. Until now. Yet is usually at the end. Structure. Subject. Plus. Haven't, hasn't. Plus. Past participle. Plus. Complement. Plus. Yet. Examples. They haven't arrived yet.
They haven't arrived yet.
They haven't arrived yet.
It hasn't stopped raining yet.
It hasn't stopped raining yet.
It hasn't stopped raining yet.
They haven't finished their class yet.
They haven't finished their class yet.
They haven't finished their class yet.
I haven't sent the email yet.
I haven't sent the email yet.
I haven't sent the email yet.
I haven't said anything to him yet.
I haven't said anything to him yet.
I haven't said anything to him yet.
She hasn't worn her new dress yet.
She hasn't worn her new dress yet.
She hasn't worn her new dress yet.
Your father hasn't read the newspaper yet.
Your father hasn't read the newspaper yet.
Your father hasn't read the newspaper yet.
The teacher hasn't graded the tests yet.
The teacher hasn't graded the tests yet.
The teacher hasn't graded the tests yet.
He hasn't bought his car yet.
He hasn't bought his car yet.
He hasn't bought his car yet.
They haven't finished eating yet.
They haven't finished eating yet.
They haven't finished eating yet.
We haven't talked to our boss yet.
We haven't talked to our boss yet.
We haven't talked to our boss yet.
He hasn't gone to Europe yet.
He hasn't gone to Europe yet.
He hasn't gone to Europe yet.
They haven't finished their studies yet.
They haven't finished their studies yet.
They haven't finished their studies yet.
She hasn't entered college yet.
She hasn't entered college yet.
She hasn't entered college yet.
She hasn't paid her debts yet.
She hasn't paid her debts yet.
She hasn't paid her debts yet.
He hasn't eaten his cake yet.
He hasn't eaten his cake yet.
He hasn't eaten his cake yet.
You haven't learned to speak English yet.
You haven't learned to speak English yet.
You haven't learned to speak English yet.
You haven't paid the bill yet.
You haven't paid the bill yet.
You haven't paid the bill yet.
He hasn't found the book yet.
He hasn't found the book yet.
He hasn't found the book yet.
He hasn't bought his tie yet.
He hasn't bought his tie yet.
He hasn't bought his tie yet.
It hasn't snowed yet.
It hasn't snowed yet.
It hasn't snowed yet.
They haven't been to the museum yet.
They haven't been to the museum yet.
They haven't been to the museum yet.
You haven't paid me yet.
You haven't paid me yet.
You haven't paid me yet.
We haven't had breakfast yet.
We haven't had breakfast yet.
We haven't had breakfast yet.
She hasn't called me yet.
She hasn't called me yet.
She hasn't called me yet.
I haven't ridden a bike yet.
I haven't ridden a bike yet.
I haven't ridden a bike yet.
She hasn't traveled by ship yet.
She hasn't traveled by ship yet.
She hasn't traveled by ship yet.
I haven't finished my work yet.
I haven't finished my work yet.
I haven't finished my work yet.
He hasn't proposed to me yet.
He hasn't proposed to me yet.
He hasn't proposed to me yet.
She hasn't cut her hair yet.
She hasn't cut her hair yet.
She hasn't cut her hair yet.
You haven't bathed yet.
You haven't bathed yet.
You haven't bathed yet.
He hasn't cleaned the window yet.
He hasn't cleaned the window yet.
He hasn't cleaned the window yet.
I haven't cut the grass yet.
I haven't cut the grass yet.
I haven't cut the grass yet.
I haven't swum in the river yet.
I haven't swum in the river yet.
I haven't swum in the river yet.
They haven't reached the top yet.
They haven't reached the top yet.
They haven't reached the top yet.
She hasn't quit her job yet.
She hasn't quit her job yet.
She hasn't quit her job yet.
I haven't seen an elephant yet.
I haven't seen an elephant yet.
I haven't seen an elephant yet.
They haven't gone on holiday yet.
They haven't gone on holiday yet.
They haven't gone on holiday yet.
I haven't read that novel yet.
I haven't read that novel yet.
I haven't read that novel yet.
He hasn't been to China yet.
He hasn't been to China yet.
He hasn't been to China yet.
I haven't dyed my hair yet.
I haven't dyed my hair yet.
I haven't dyed my hair yet.
The teacher hasn't taught us that topic yet.
The teacher hasn't taught us that topic yet.
The teacher hasn't taught us that topic yet.
The nurse hasn't injected me yet.
The nurse hasn't injected me yet.
The nurse hasn't injected me yet.
She hasn't washed her clothes yet.
She hasn't washed her clothes yet.
She hasn't washed her clothes yet.
You haven't spoken in public yet.
You haven't spoken in public yet.
You haven't spoken in public yet.
You haven't presented your thesis yet.
You haven't presented your thesis yet.
You haven't presented your thesis yet.
I haven't known the jungle yet.
I haven't known the jungle yet.
I haven't known the jungle yet.
He hasn't drunk his orange juice yet.
He hasn't drunk his orange juice yet.
He hasn't drunk his orange juice yet.
The baby hasn't learned to walk yet.
The baby hasn't learned to walk yet.
The baby hasn't learned to walk yet.
She hasn't lost weight yet.
She hasn't lost weight yet.
She hasn't lost weight yet.
Thanks
For watching.